Today is going to be a lazy Saturday. Hello everyone, it's another day and another vlog. It's snowing again outside kaya naman dito tayo magpo-food trip sa bahay. I'm going to share with you what I ate in a day. For breakfast, I had the air-fried duck and the leftover pizza. We are a living room family, so actually nandyan din yung mga bata, nanonood kami ng vlog ng aking dalaga, reminiscing our times when we visited Philippines. For lunch, we had corned beef. Requested kasi ng mga bata na yan na lang ang iluto kasi tinatamad nga rin si Daddy. Ayaw rin namang mag-order kasi sunod-sunod na nga rin yung pag-order namin. Masarap naman talaga din yung corned beef, ano? Busog pa naman din ako niyan pero kumain din ako ng konti lang para lang matikman. Parang nag-crave din kasi ako sa corned beef. Preferred nga rin nila sa corned beef yung tuyo. Yung iba naman gusto yung may sabaw. Ako sana gusto ko yung may sabaw eh. Kayo, anong preferred na luto nyo sa corned beef? At ayan nga, after niyan ay nilinis ko na rin yung aming pantry, nag-ayos-ayos ng konti. At syempre, Saturday is labada day. For dinner naman, what we had was tortang talong, fried galunggong, and nilagang egg. Panghimagas ay mangga at bagoong and ended the day with a hot shower. Yun lang muna for today. Thanks so much for watching. See you again tomorrow. God bless.